Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. As electronic warfare and surveillance becomes faster and more high-tech, it's essential to have a partner to make next-generation technology happen. That's why TRM Microwave creates solutions. TRM Microwave designs and manufactures RF and microwave components and integrated subsystem assemblies that are configured for use in mission-critical applications such as radar, wireless communications, and threat signal detection. TRM Microwave is proud to be a woman-owned small business. Their large catalog of high-power combiners, dividers, couplers, and hybrids is impressive, but what they're really known for is their custom work. It's all made in the USA at their world-class AS9100 certified facilities in New Hampshire. Vertically integrated production allows them to keep a sharper eye on quality. They boast a wide variety of equipment to get the job done. CNC machining, printed circuit board shop, and laser cutting are a few of their capabilities. Performance and environmental testing are also done on site. As a part of the Department of Defense's Mentor-Protege program, the company is upgrading their processes. The outcome is improved components, faster production times, and reduced costs. Material cutting and surface mounting is now automated for better precision, while 3D printing has nearly doubled tool production. TRM is committed to partnering with its customers' design teams to engineer innovative, custom RF microwave system solutions. See why those in military, aerospace, and commercial industries rely on TRM to complete their ideas. The journey starts at trmmicrowave.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.